morning students. Today we are going to start new chapter. Chapter name is what? Exponent. This chapter is very easy, very interesting and something unique. Okay. So without our wasting our time, we want to start. Okay. So just focus here and you just take your pens and paper and write what I am saying. Clear? So suppose a number is multiplied by suppose several times. So suppose we can write 3 or 4 times. Suppose, okay, when a number is multiplied by this time or several times. So in that case, what we write here? So here is 3 now. So in that case, you write what? 3. Okay. So how many times are there repeat 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then what we write? Yes, 4. Suppose we write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So in this case, first what we write? First we write that number which are repeated. So this number are what? These are repeated numbers. So you write here 2. Okay. Then you just count how many times are written by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here what we write? Sorry, 5. Yeah, no? So 5. So what is this? Okay. So what is this and what is this? So our target to know what is this. So suppose we take this one, t to the power 4. Okay, now this is what? This is the exponential expression. Clear? This is known as exponential expressions. And this number 3 is known as base. What? Base. And this 4 is known as power. Power or exponent or index. Clear now? So when I ask you what is this, then I think you definitely you say that what is this. Okay, now? So I think this the examples is clear to the you know what is base, what is exponent, and what is exponential expressions. Is it clear or not? I hope it is clear. Then we move towards. Okay, before. So we take a general number. Okay, suppose we take a general number. Suppose a into dot. How many times? Suppose n times we write. So in that condition, after multiplying, what do we write? A to the power n. Clear now? A is what? That number which are multiplying at the several times, and n is what? This is the power. Okay, and a is what? The base. Clear? So suppose this question is given 5 to the power 3. Clear now? So here 3 or 4 questions. First question is that the meaning is what? That is 5 power 3. That is what we write 5 into 5. Is it clear? Clear. Second, they ask find base. Okay. So base is what? 5. Clear now? Third question is what? To find power or exponent or index. So what we write here? Here we write 3. And finally they find their the value. So what we write? 5 into 5. That means 3 times now 5 into 5 into 5. That's what? 1 to 5. So mainly in this 4 types of questions will be asked in your examinations. You write there the meanings, you write there the base, you write there the powers, and you write there the values. Okay now. So then I think this is the basic fundamental will be clear. Then if you have any doubt, then definitely you comment on the comment section and start the exercise questions. Clear now? So we are going. Let's move to the exercise question. Clear? So look here. Here is the exercise question. Exercise 4A. So exercise 4A. The first one is what? Fill in the blanks. Clear now? Fill in the blanks. So here given part is that the expressions. The first part is what? The expression. 5 to the power 3. Okay. So we discussed about suppose we discuss 3 number questions. Clear na? Yes, 3 by 5 to the power 3. So first we find the meaning. So first we find what? The meaning. Meaning, that is what you write here. 3 by 5. You write here meaning. Meaning is what? 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. That is, next is exponent. Exponent. So exponent is what? Look here, the power. Power is what? The 3. So you write here 3. Next is what? Base. You find your base. So base is what? 3 upon 5. And the last one is what? Value. So you write value. So like 3 into 3 into 2. 3 times that is what you write? 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. And 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times. That is what you write? 1 to 5. So this is the value. Okay. So I think fill in the blanks question number 1 will be no doubts. If you have any type of doubts, if you have any type of confusion, then definitely you comment on the comment section or my personal WhatsApp number. Clear now? So next we are moving the question number 2. Okay, remaining question I hope you will try. So question number 2 is what? Question number 2 is state the exponential form of each expressions. So here is question number 2. Question number 2 is state the exponential form of each exponent. First question is that 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 to 4 to 6. So you write in the exponential system. So what we write here? First we count 8. How many are 8? So 2 to 4 to 6. So you write finally 6. Clear na? So third one. Third one is what? Sorry, fourth one. Minus 3 by 11 into 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 minus 3 by 11. So you write in the exponential system. So very first we write that number we are repeating. So here 3 by upon 11, 3 upon 11 are repeating numbers. So you write here the 3 by 11, and then you count how many times they are repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write 5. Clear na? I hope this is there is a clear. So come to the question number 2 ka 5. 2 ka 5, what do we write? Yes, 2 minus 2 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 5 and into 4 upon 7 into 4 upon 7. In that case, what we write? First we write minus 2 upon 5 to the power what? 3 into 4 upon 7 to the power what? 2. Good. So question number 2 is also over. So come to the question number 3. So question number 3 is what? Write the expanded form of. Okay. So here is question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Write in the expanded form. So first we had question number 1, 4 to the power 6. So you just expand. Then that means 4 to the power 6. That means what? You write 4 into 4 into how many times? 6 times. So you write 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? It's clear. Good. And no need to write there the values, because the question is say that the write there the expanded form, not say that you write there the values. Clear now? So you just write, you just follow there the instruction. And the 5 question, we are discussing question number 5. Okay. So question number 5 is what? Minus 5 upon 8 to the power 2 into 3 by 4 to the power what? 4. So you just write the expanded form. So what we write? 5 upon 8 into minus 5 upon 8 into 3 by 4. How many times? 4 times. Here written is 4 times, so that's why we write here the 4 times. Clear? Clear na? No doubt? I think there is no any doubt. Clear? So you just write here. So question number 4. 1. Here is 1 to 1. Clear na? So you write in the power form. So very first what you do, you just factorize this one. Clear na? So factorize. So here 11 is equal to what you write? 11. 2 times 11 into 11 is 1 to 1. So what you write? 11 into 11. Finally what you write? 11 is squared. Is it clear? Clear. So come second question. Second question what? Minus 3 minus 3 4 3. So you just subtract 3 4 3. Oh sorry, you just factorize 3 4 3. So you just subtract factorize. So suppose we factorize from 7. So 7 3 jan 3 4 7 4 jan 7 4 48. Here is 1 right 9 and 7 7 jan. Clear na? 7 7 is what? Is the 3 4 3. So here you just write a negative number and you just write 7 into 7 into 7. Clear na? Or you write the minus separated multiply by 7 that number. Minus 7 into minus 7. So finally you write minus 7 to the power what? How many? 1 2 3. So you write here power is 3. So clear na? So question number 1 part is over. Then come question number 6. 4 6. 4 6 is what? 81 upon 6 to 5. So right there the power notation. So 6 to 5. So how can we write? Very first we factorize. Okay now? Here 81. So you factorize. What do you write? 9 into 9. Can we write? Okay. The very smallest number what will be 3. So how many times? 27. Then 3. How many times? 9. Then 3. How many times? 3 3 is 9. Good. So you write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Divide. Here is what? 6 to 5. Again factorize 6 to 5. So the smallest number what we factorize? We take 5. Okay now? Then 1 to 5. Then 5. 25. 5. 5. So here what we write? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So finally what we write here? Which number are several times the multiply? Date number 1 2 3 4 times. So here power what we write? 4. The next denominator term is what? The 5. So how many times? 1 2 3 4. 4 times. So you write and simply you just write 3 upon 4. The power is 4. This is also good. This is also clear now. I hope 1 to 4 is no doubt here. Clear now. So you the remaining question you just try, and if you have any doubt definitely you just ask me. Clear now students. Come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is what? Find the value of. Okay. Find the value. So very first we start question number 1. 5 1. 5 1. Minus 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 to the power 7 into 2 to the power what? 2. So this is the question, and question is what? Find there the value. So here is what? 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3, that is what? 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times. So here what we write? 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5 is 1 to 5. Clear na? Here is sign is what? Negative sign. Clear? So here what you write? Negative into negative is positive, positive into negative, negative. Or here is a negative sign. So the power is what? The odd power. So here what we write here? Here we write negative sign. That means what? Suppose we write 1. 1 to the power is odd number. In that case, what we write here? Minus 1. 1 to the power, suppose we write 2. So in that case, that is what? The power is 2. So you write what? Plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 3. That is what you write here? Minus 1. Or minus 1 to the power 4. That is what? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into how many times? 4 times. Okay, finally what you write? Is a plus 1. Is it clear now? So is remarked that if we write here the power is odd, in that case negative sign will be included. But if we write in the power will be the even, in that case negative sign will be what? Converted in the positive signs. Clear now? That's why we write here the minus 1 to 5. And here into, you write into. Minus 1 to the power is what? Power is what? Even or odd. So here power is what? The odd power. So finally you write minus 1 and then to the power 2. That is what? 4. So here minus 1 and minus 1. So what? Minus 2 minus what, right? Plus. So here 1 to 5 into 1. That is 1 to 5 into 4. What, right? 5. 500. So this is the answer. Clear na? Then come to the question number. 3. Find the 3. Find 3. Is 3 upon 4 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2 to the power is 3 into 2 to the power what? 3. So right there the value. Here you are 3 by 4 to the power is 2. So that means what? Can you write the 9 upon what? 4 into 4, that's what? 16 into here minus 1 upon 2 to the power is 3. So minus 1 to the power, that is what you write here, minus 1 upon 2, that means 8. Clear? Here 2 to the power 3, that means 2 into 2, 3 times. So what we write here? Here we write 8. Clear na? Because this is the multiplication sign. So in that case what we write? Here we cut this 8 and 8. And finally we write here 9 into minus 100. That's why we write minus 9 upon here 16. So this is the answer. Okay. So you just write, take a screenshot. Clear na? So next we come to the question number 6. 1 to the power minus 1 upon 5 to the power is what? Is 3 divides. Okay, and minus 2 to the power 50. Power is what? 2. So in that case, very first we solve this one. How can we solve? Look here. Minus 1 upon 5 to the power is what? 3. That is what? Minus 1 upon 5. How many times? 3 times. So you finally you write minus 1 upon 1 to 5. Here divide sign, you just write divide sign. Here minus 2 upon 5, 15 to the power what? 2. So finally what you write? Here 4 upon 2 to 5. Clear? So here minus 1 upon 1 to 5 into. This sign will be converted in the into, and then we write here this 2 to 5. Clear na? You know this the how they convert? Clear na? Look this one. If you have written down, then look this one. If A divide B or B divides C divide D, can you write this one this form like? So in that case, what you write? A divide B into D divide C. Clear? This is the formula. So finally you write 1 to 5. How many times? So you write 25. 5 1 to 5. 25. 25. How many times? You just divide from 5. So you write 2 5, and here you write 5 0 you have 40 45. Clear na? 5 5 is 5 5 is 25 and 5 9 is 45. So finally you write 9 upon 5. Okay, this is the answer of question number 6. Clear? You just write and then you try to solve the remaining questions. If you have any doubts in the remaining questions, then definitely you ask Clear? So all the questions are very easy, no problem there. But if you're not able to understand, then definitely you ask in the classes or the comment sections. Clear na? I will explain. So let's start question number 6. Okay na? So question number 6 is what? Write the following numbers as a power of 5. Clear? So here any number which can be write in the form of power in the form of 5. Suppose just take examples we write. Here the 25 is given and the question is also given 25. So you write here question number 2. 5 by 2. So you write in 6. So you write what? The power of 5. So what you write? First we write 5 into 5. That's what 25. Or 5 to the power of 5 how many times? 1 and 2. You just write 2. Is clear? So next is 1 to 5. Third number is what? 1 to 5. In that condition what you write? 5 into 5 into 5. So finally what you write? First you write 5 and here 1, 2, 3. So you write what? 3. So question number, you know 1 is what? 5 to the power 1. So come to the question number 6. Question number 4. What? 6 to 5. 6 to 5. So what do you write here? Listen, look, 6 to 5. You simply just factorize. So after factorization, what do you get? 25 into 25. What do you write? 6 to 5. After separating this one, because we write in the form of 5. So here 5 into 5 is 25. Again into here is 25. So you write 5 into 5. So finally what we write here? 5 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. You just write 4. Okay. So this is the question number 6. No doubt there. Come to the question number 7. Okay. You just write or you just take the screenshot. Clear now? So come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is the language questions, or you consider the multiple choice questions. But question is very important. So before we are going to start the questions, very carefully read this the questions. Question is that a boy was asked to write what? 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 into 9 to the power 2. Clear? Suppose I ask you to write this one, 2 to the power 5 into 9 to the power 2. But what you do? But you wrote this one, 2592. 2592. Clear? Once again I read the questions. A boy was asked to 2 to the power 5 into 9 to the power 2. But he wrote 2592. The numerical difference between the two is what? So in between numerical difference, that is what? The subtract. This is not difference. So the answer is what? So you just write. Very first you solve this one. 2 into 2 how many times? Like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times into 9. 9 into 9. And here the subtraction is 2, 5, 9, 2. Clear? Again you write 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the what? 16. 16 to the 32. You write 32 into 9 9 is 81 minus 2, 5, 9, 2. Okay. So when you multiply 32 into 81, what you get? 2, 5, 9, 2 minus 2, 5, 9, 2. So finally what you get? Finally 0. So option number which one? Option number A is the right answer. Clear? So this is the question number A. Question number A is what? The reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3 to the power 4 into minus 3 upon 4 to the power 3 is what? So question is that the reciprocal. You know the reciprocal, that is what? Reciprocal means what? Suppose if we write here A and I ask you to write here the reciprocal, that means what you write? A to the power minus 1 or 1 by A? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So So this is the reciprocal. Suppose we write 2 by 3. Okay. So I tell you, we write the reciprocal. So in that case, what you do? You just write it simply 3 upon 2. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the reciprocal. So come to question number 8. Question number 8 is minus 2 by 3 to the power is what? 4 into minus 3 to the power 4 power is what? 3. Okay. Very first we are going to solve this one, then we write there the reciprocals, clear na? And then we put there the answer. So solve this one. What write here? Power. Power is what? Even number, so negative term converted into the positive number. So what we write? 2 into 2, how many times? 4 times na, because here the 4 power is given. So here what we write? So first we write na this one, but no need to write this also. Okay, you just simply solve. Here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here you are 2 into 2 is 4, 4 to the 2 is what? 8 to the 2, 16 to the power 3 is 9, 9 is 27, 27 3 is 81. So this part here minus 3 into minus 3 upon 4 into 4. So what you write here? 3 into 3 na 27. Here minus into plus is what? Plus and minus what you write? Minus upon 4 into 4 is what? 16 4s are 64. Clear? Then you solve. 16 4s are and 27 3s are. Clear? So here we write 1 upon 4 3s are 12. So our answer is what? You write there the reciprocal. So reciprocal is what? Minus 12. Clear na? So answer will be A number. Okay. So this way you solve the this type of MCQs questions. Clear na? So question number 9 is what? Write the following statement is true. Question number 9. So just we check which options are the correct. So first is given 4 to the power 3 equal greater than 3 to the power 4. Is it true or not? Let's see. So 4 to the power 3, what you write? 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times na? What you write? 64 here. 3 to the power 4. That means what you write? 3 into 3 into this na? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So what you write? 3 into 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Which one is greater? This side na? So this statement is what? This statement is wrong. Clear? Come to question number 2. So 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 equal to 2 plus 3 to the power 2. So here 4 plus 9 equal to 3 to 5. 5 plus 2 is 25. Or 9 plus 4 is what? 13 and 25. Is it equal? Equal? Not equal. So this option is also false. Clear na? So come to the question number C option. Just check C option. Here 3 to the power 5 is greater than 5 to the power 3. So here 5 to the power 3, that means what I write here 1 to 5. Okay na? So here is 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 27 3 is what? So 27 3 is 81. 81 into 3 is 243. 243 is greater than 1 to 5. Okay. So this statement is what? This statement is true. So question number 9, option number C is your correct answer. Clear? So weather is too hot, that's why lots of the sweatings are coming. So exercise 4A is over. You just try the remaining questions. If you have any doubt, then definitely you ask in the class. Clear? So take care and try to make the short notes. Clear na? Okay, then bye bye. Thank you.